There are 3 times more email accounts than Facebook and Twitter accounts combined. The most effective tool for making money online isn't paid search ads, social media, or SEO. It's an email. You probably have doubts about the effectiveness of email marketing, let alone whether it is possible to profit from it. Yes, it is important to look into new approaches and creative concepts, but it's all worthwhile when it comes to a tried and true marketing channel like email. Email marketing gives you the best return on investment among all marketing methods. It's pretty surprising, right? As a skilled marketer, let's assume you are aware of email marketing's potential to increase revenue and sales for your company. But you're frustrated with the results of your email marketing efforts. Don't give up now. Let's examine how you can maximize your email marketing efforts. However, let's first quickly recap what email marketing is. Email marketing is an efficient approach for sending commercial emails to your prospects. It's a form of direct marketing that instructs your email list about your goods or services via the use of customized emails. Also, it can be used to persuade your email list to carry out a particular activity, such as making a purchase, scheduling a demo, signing up for a trial, or an event. This tutorial will help you set up your email marketing funnel so that you may gather leads and produce sales 24/7. Let's get started with the complete email marketing tutorial available on the internet. Set your email marketing objectives. If you're about to kickstart an email marketing campaign, wait for a second. Think about your objectives for a moment and what you really want to accomplish. It will help you to design your campaigns, choose your target demographic, provide good content, and measure your success. Making your email campaigns compelling and successful may be achieved with little advanced thought. Goal setting is the key success factor for any business, especially for marketing departments. It will be simpler for you to monitor your progress and decide whether your email marketing campaigns were effective if you have defined targets in place to assist in directing your efforts. Because of its success in driving conversions and developing brand loyalty, email should be an integral component of every digital marketing strategy. Creating an email marketing list. Now that you've decided on your goals and what you want to accomplish with email marketing, it's time to start developing your email list so you can start delivering messages that will help you achieve these goals. There are several ways to create an email list, but the most effective strategy will depend on the objectives of your campaign. One option to create a list is to manually upload a list of contacts or sync your customer data from other tools, such as Excel sheet, CRM, accounting, and other e-commerce tools, into your email marketing solution. When importing these contacts, it's crucial to confirm that you have the authorization to email them. Another approach is to start from scratch, acquiring email addresses from your target demographic, using a tried and true method that many successful email marketers use. Write an engaging email. It's time to draft your email once you have determined why you want to run this campaign. The subject line of your email will catch users' attention intentionally. The actual game starts there. Create a title that is so compelling that no one will be able to ignore it. Next, focus on your email's body. You don't want to lose your target member's interest, so you should stick to these guidelines while writing an appealing email. Write persuasively. Make careful to make a particular request of the reader. Your paragraphs and sentences should be brief. Your readers will retain their interest and find it simple to understand your content if you do this. Establish a relationship with the readers. You can accomplish it by changing the writing's tone. Use the first-person tense only when composing emails. This gives your readers the impression that you are conversing with them personally. Use the reader's name to make the email more personalized. Including their name in the email can give them the impression that the message was created with them in mind. You may quickly capture their attention by doing this. Finally, be specific and pertinent. Long emails waste people's time. They are also uninteresting. Therefore, don't waste time talking about topics that are not important. Keep your information short and to the point. To increase engagement, use visuals and images. Are all of the images you include in your emails linked? If you are not, think about doing so. You should avoid using walls or blocks of text. This is due to the fact that visuals, both video and photos, are more appealing. Pictures make your email stand out and greatly increase click-through rates. A clickable graphic can provide a better user experience and increase engagement than a text message can. According to studies, people can recall up to 65% of visual content up to 3 days later compared to only 10% of text-based content. Humans also follow visual instructions 32% better than written instructions. Therefore, using images and visuals to direct your readers to execute a desired action is a fantastic idea. Use psychological tricks. What is the gap between a high-converting email and one that no one opens? The former employs psychological techniques while the latter is simply a casual email. Why would anyone open your email if you can't make them want to? That is why you need to apply psychological techniques. If you want people to buy things through email, try incorporating psychology into your plan. This does not require a psychology degree. Simply apply fundamental psychology to forecast your users' behavior. You can use urgency to compel users to act quickly on your website. FOMO, fear of missing out, is one of the most effective psychological techniques you can use in your email marketing approach. Generating necessity by suggesting that time is running out or that a hot product is running out of stock are both good ways to deceive people into buying. You can, for example, employ a countdown timer to make customers feel as if their time is running out and the deal is about to finish. Consider upselling. Consider the possibility that a current client is aware of your services, and if they enjoyed what they bought, they would want to buy it again. With email marketing, you can simply convert that trust into sales and earn more money. Upselling your products or services is a terrific approach to making extra money with email marketing. This is a common way to get a customer to buy something else. For example, suppose you're selling a product for $10. You can persuade your consumer to pay an extra $1 for a higher quality version of the same product. It's important to note that you can't simply recommend any product to upsell until the customer requires it. Evaluate what the customers have purchased and promote something in response. They must locate an upselling opportunity that is profitable enough for them to spend the extra money. Cross-sell related items. Cross-selling related products is another great approach to making money with email marketing. Using this method, you can get your user to spend a little more money on a product that they are interested in. Every transaction a customer makes provides you with information about their likes and interests. You can utilize this information to attract them with additional things they would want. In fact, you're probably getting an email right now that says, "Since you bought this, you might be interested in this." This is because people who buy from you online are more likely to buy from you again if you send them targeted, personalized messages. Customize your emails. People get and ignore a lot of emails every day, but they rarely ignore something personal. That is why email personalization is so important. Subscribers receive individualized communication as a gift rather than as simply another annoying email. They believe that they are exceptional and that you will value them more than your competition. As a result, they become a frequent customer and you continue to profit. Send a follow-up email. Your clients may not take action simply by reading your email. Just remember to follow up. Wait a day or two after sending the email. You can then send a fast follow-up email to your subscribers. You may set up follow-up emails to send automatically and resend the email to people who haven't received it yet with various email marketing providers. This serves as a friendly reminder and enhances the likelihood of individuals taking action. And that's a wrap. Earning money with email marketing has never been so easy. Hopefully, you will begin earning money as soon as you implement the ideas and tips you have learned here. Continue your efforts and let us know if you have an approach that works for you, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from us. Thanks for watching.